Hey there, Ken Wilkins, StandaloneHarness.com, here today to talk about diagnosing trouble issues with Duramax and Gen 5 LT engines, either on your first startup or after you've been driving the vehicle for some time. First things first, skip using the multimeter. There's nothing that you're going to find with probing the wires. All you're going to do is damage the jackets on the wire and create potential corrosion problems in the future. So step one for diagnosing either a no start or some sort of trouble with the engine or transmission is email us via the website, and I will respond with the form here that we have. It's a request for diagnostics. The form comes back. You need to read and give us the information that's going to be stored in the ECM and TCM with regards to fault codes. You'll want to list your fault codes in order here, because they're actually stored in the order of priority in the ECM, meaning the worst ones are first. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to request that you provide all of the live data information. It's not that hard. This handheld scanner is actually 10 years old. I bought it from Harbor Freight in 2020 for $69. And even with this old cheap scanner, I'm able to go into the can after it's plugged into the OBD port, turn on the key, and I'm able to get all of the live data information that I'll ever need to fill in this form. So as long as your handheld scanner has live data, you can fill this form out. And basically what this form is it's like going to the doctor's office. When you walk into the doctor's office, the first thing they're going to do, they're going to weigh you, they're going to check your blood pressure, and they're going to look at your heart rate. We basically need to see the information that the ECM has and what the ECM is doing to validate that the problem is either in the wiring, in the charging system, with the pedal, or with the engine itself. Thanks for watching.